Good morning. It's me, Winter, and I have the hiccups. Yes, I had the hiccups. I'm sitting on my mommy's lap, and excuse me, and it's kind of overcast today, but it's gonna be a busy day because my my Papa Bear and my Grams have some errands to run. So it's gonna be a busy day. Today is Wednesday, and that's it, I guess. So hopefully the hiccups will leave me alone. I don't like the hiccups. And that's it. Okay, bye.